much and you want burgers.
Oh my goodness, this is just straight out of the department store window.
So 12.15, 1:45, and 4. Oh, that's so cute. Little card.
Take a look on either side of the train, we're just seeing a few of the thousands of movies we made right here in the lot all over the world. Now back in 1912, our founder Carl Laemmle founded the Universal Film Manufacturing Company on the East Coast, but officially opened up what we know today as Universal City on March 15th, 1915. There's Mr. Laemmle on your screens right there. Now, officially on March 15th, 1915, he dubbed this area to be the strangest city in the world because we are, in fact, a fully incorporated city with a zip code, a sheriff's department, and our very own fire department. And that fire department is very close and very near to us. It's so close. It's to your right-hand side. This is station. But as you're seeing them up on your screen, oh, why not just see them in person? Well, you can, because here they are to your left-hand side. We got our Magnum PI Ferrari that is just a Volkswagen engine with a Ferrari fiberglass shell right on top of it. Back to the Future cars, and of course the Flintstones. Now these Flintstones cars, most of these are actually just golf carts with fiberglass shells right on top of them. And the Fast and the Furious, and the Jurassic World gyrosphere. You might remember the gyrosphere having glass. It actually has never, ever, ever had glass. It was all just CGI because the reflection of the camera to get the shots of the two kids. And to your left-hand side, this tank right here from the Transformers films. Brand new treat for all of you. We're gonna show you some living, breathing dinosaurs right now. I am so excited. These dinosaurs are going to be in cages on your right-hand side in a couple moments. Get ready, because here they okay, everybody, the cages are empty right now. I don't know exactly where these dinosaurs are, but that's okay. We're gonna keep, oh no, there they are, there they are, look out, look out!
It's not.
Cool. You'll see it tomorrow. That's fine. Okay. All right. Go for tram 8317. Yeah, we can cut the rain. They. What? Oh no. What? Oh. Okay. Copy. Thank you. Hey everybody. Apparently the rain machines are stuck right now. Oh no. Look out! Look out! There was thousands of gallons of water dropped from the top of the hill, and you might actually recognize that. Equipment here, because they're going to start filming again, I believe coming in tomorrow to start filming. You can see the set on your screens being used in the TV show Bones. This is kind of like a generic subway station set that we have on. Everyone to remain calm, remain seated. Okay, I think that was it. All right, we're going to pull out of here. We do apologize. Okay, oh no. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, press 2 and 3, look out to your left. Look out, look out! That truck is on fire! Oh no! It's fine, I'll be just shake it off. Ooh, shake it. Oh no, look out to your left, there's another train coming. Look out, train coming! there's nothing else, I think we're good. Oh no, oh no, water. What a world, what a world. Alright, congratulations, you all just survived the earthquake and the big one. Okay, everybody, it is that time. It is your debut for the movies. We're going that was used in the sequels for Psycho. Now, legend has it, every year on the 13th of December, you can see the ghost of Norman Bates hanging outside of the Psycho house. So get ready, everybody. We are going to take a look. Hopefully he's not out there right now because that'd be bad news, but let's take a look. So, oh, no, he is out here. Okay, everyone. We're just gonna keep, hopefully he doesn't see, oh no, he sees us. Go, 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 go. Of course, sorry about that. Now guys, we just passed the Psycho house, so we're taking you to one of the largest destruction sets to ever be on our lot. From Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds. This is the airplane crash site set. That airplane on your left-hand side is a real 747 Boeing airplane, but it was purchased and destroyed specifically just for this production.
We'll have to react fast to keep the Allspark away from them. Because out there,
gonna go ride Transformers.
I know your crews don't have much training, but you wouldn't be here if you didn't have courage. And your instincts, well, we're all just gonna have to rely on those. And together with my weaponry, hyperspeed moves, and maybe Charlie's Decepticons, just won't stand a chance. All that's left now.
Way to improvise, team. Thanks for meeting the challenge. Let's head on back to base.
has just begun. But today's your holiday, isn't it?
Yes.
I'm so happy you're here.
I'm happy that you're here.
Are you?
Yes.
Why?
Because you're amazing.
Well, duh. You know what would make this day even more amazing? If I shower you with gifts.
Yes.
1 second. What are you looking at? Let's go.
Battle station! Max, sound the alarm! Everyone get to that tower quick! Go! This is not a drill! Kyle! Kyle, I need you at the armory! Lock down that gate! Got it. Thank you. Come on, fish boy, let's go! Me and you, man against fish. Come and get it.
Okay, so we are definitely calling it a day because it's starting to drizzle, it's also getting cold, and we just got things to do. But it was nice and fun, and spending time with my friend Lo. It's just super chilly. Did what we wanted to do, and then some. I'm just gonna check out some pictures real quick. But yeah, overall it's a nice day, and I truly love the decorations, and had a lot of fun meeting the Grinch. Anywho's. My camera's all messed up because I like cracked the screen protector, so now I gotta go buy a new one. But as always, I'm just glad I brought you along this adventure, and then we'll see you in the next one.